Hi, this is Sean Darrington, Senior Director of Product Management. And today in this short how-to video, I want to share with you how to configure your static IP address and networking information in the OneBlox web console. So here I've already logged into OneSystem. I've already installed my OneBlox and associated them with my account. In fact, I've actually also created a mesh configuration for replicating any number of shares from the primary to the secondary. In this case, I'm replicating from San Francisco to Paris. So now if I drill down and I know my OneBlox host name, or if I know the IP address of my OneBlox, then I can actually get to the web console and do the network configuration I would like to in terms of setting the static IP. So I'm going to go ahead and click on 40200, and you can see here I've got a couple different drives. I've got a 1 terabyte drive and a 6 and a 4 terabyte drive in this, and the 7-node ring. But here's the IP address for this particular OneBlox, and this is the one I'm going to access initially. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this. Now within, if you're on a PC, you need to use the IP address of the OneBlox. You can also use the virtual IP address, which will resolve to any number of the OneBlox in the ring, or you can use an individual IP address of one of the particular OneBlox in the ring. If you're on a Mac, you also have the option to do to use the host name, in this case OneBlox 400200 local. So now that will resolve to the web server running on the OneBlox, and it'll tell you the overall health and status of the OneBlox in addition to what you would see in OneSystem. So now I can click on here where I can do some of the basic configuration, and now I can actually set a static IP. In this case I have it set up as DHCP. You'll also notice the MAC addresses here for the 4 ports that are being used for this particular OneBlox. Now I can go ahead and assign this a particular IP address, 192.168.168.147, net mask of the same, 255.0.0. Now I can assign the gateway, 192.168.168.168. And then your DNS server. You can use the internet-based DNS servers, or if you have your own, you can certainly enter them there. I'm just going to enter one there. And now I can click Save. Now I'm not going to click Save because I want to use a reserved DHCP address for that, but that's how you configure the static IP networking information. You can see the MAC addresses here. I wanted to flip back to OneSystem here. So this is the main view. If you mouse over OneBlox in the rear view, you'll actually see each of the MAC addresses for that particular port. This could be useful if you want to understand which OneBlox ports are being used on your network. That's one way to do that. And that's as easy as it is to configure a static IP configuration. Thanks for watching.